Question 1. The number of significant figures in 0.004560 is A. 3, B. 4, C. 5, D. 6. The correct answer is B. 4. Question 2. The percentage by mass of carbon in CaCO3 is closest to A. 10%, B. 12%, C. 15%, D. 18%. The correct answer is B. 12%. Question 3. Which of the following laws is illustrated by the reaction 2H2 plus O to 2H2O? A. Law of conservation of mass. B. Law of multiple proportions. C. Law of reciprocal proportions. D. Law of definite proportions. The correct answer is D. Law of definite proportions. Question 4. The limiting reagent in the reaction of 5 moles N2 with 12 moles H2 is A. N2, B. H2, C. NH3, D. None. The correct answer is B. H2. Question 5. The molarity of a solution containing 4.9 G/H2SO4 in 500 ml solution is A. 0.1 m, B. 0.2 m, C. 0.5 m, D. 1.0 m. The correct answer is A. 0.1 m. Question 6. Which quantum number determines the shape of an orbital? A. Principal, B. Azimuthal, C. Magnetic, D. Spin. The correct answer is B. Azimuthal. Consider the following expression. A. 18, B. 32, C. 50, D. 64. The correct answer is B. 32. Question 8. Which orbital has zero probability of finding an electron at the nucleus? A. 1s, B. 2s, C. 2p, D. 3s. The correct answer is C. 2p. Question 9. The correct order of increasing energy of orbitals is A. 3p force 3d, B. 3p 3d force, C. Force 3p 3d, D. 3d 3p force. The correct answer is A. 3p force 3d. Consider the following expression. A. 3, B. 4, C. 5, D. 6. The correct answer is C. 5. Question 11. Which element has the highest first ionization enthalpy? A, B, B, C, C, N, D, O. The correct answer is C, N. Question 12. Electron affinity is maximum for A, F, B, C, L, C, B, R, D, I. The correct answer is BCl. Question 13. Which of the following species has the smallest size? A. Na plus, B. Mg2 plus, Cl3 plus, D. One. The correct answer is Cl3 plus. Question 14. The correct order of basic strength is A. NH3PH3H3, B. PH3NH3H3, C. H3PH3NH3, D. NH3H3PH3. The correct answer is A. NH3PH3H3. Question 15. Which molecule has zero dipole moment? A. NH3, B. H2O, C. CO2, D. SO2. The correct answer is C. CO2. Question 16. The hybridization of carbon in ethine is A. sp3, B. sp2, C. sp, D. dsp2. The correct answer is C. sp. Question 17. Which bond is the strongest? Consider the following expression. The correct answer is C. Cc. Question 18. The geometry of SF6 molecule is A. Tetrahedral, B. Trigonal bipyramidal, C. Octahedral, D. Square planar. The correct answer is C. Octahedral. Question 19. Which type of isomerism is shown by but to Na? A. Chain, B. Position, C. Geometrical, D. Optical. The correct answer is C. Geometrical. Question 20. The correct opaque name of CH3 3CCH2 CH3 is A. 2,2-dimethylpropane, B. 2-methylbutane, C. 3-methylpentane, D. 2,2-dimethylbutane. The correct answer is D. 2,2-dimethylbutane. Question 21. Which reagent distinguishes between aldehyde and ketone? A. Fehling solution, B. Benedict solution, C. Tollens reagent, D. All of these. The correct answer is D. All of these. Question 22. The oxidation state of sulfur in Na2S2O3 is A. +2, B. +4, C. +5, D. average +2. The correct answer is D. average +2. Question 23. Which of the following is an intensive property? A. Volume, B. Mass, C. Internal energy, D. Density. The correct answer is D. Density. Question 24. The value of delta H for an exothermic reaction is A. Positive, B. Negative, C. 0, D. Maximum. The correct answer is B. Negative. Question 25. Which thermodynamic quantity is a state function? A. Work. B. Heat. C. Entropy. D. Path length. The correct answer is C. Entropy. Consider the following expression. A. Delta G0. B. Delta G0. C. Delta H0. D. Delta S0. The correct answer is B. Delta G0. Question 27. Which gas deviates most from ideal behavior at high pressure? A. H2. B. He. C. CO2. D. One. The correct answer is C. CO2. Question 28. The compressibility factor, Z, for ideal gas is A. 0. B. 1. C. Greater than 1. D. Less than 1. The correct answer is B. 1. Question 29. Which unit is correct for rate of reaction? A. Mol L1S1. B. Mol L1. C. S1. D. L mol 1S1. The correct answer is A. Mol L1S1. Question 30. The rate constant of a first-order reaction has units of A. Mol L1S1. B. L mol 1S1. C. S1. D. Mol 1 LS1. The correct answer is C. S1. Question 31. Which factor does not affect the rate of a chemical reaction? A. Temperature. B. Catalyst. C. Pressure. D. Enthalpy change. The correct answer is D. Enthalpy change. Question 32. The pH of 0.001 mHCl solution is ACE1, B2, C3, D4. The correct answer is C3. Question 33. The conjugate base of H2PO4 is A. H3PO4. B. HPO42. C. PO43. D. H2PO3. The correct answer is B. HPO42. Question 34. Which salt will give acidic solution in water? A. NaCl. B. NH4Cl. C. CH3CONa. D. Na2CO3. The correct answer is B. NH4Cl. Question 35. Which element shows maximum catenation? A. Carbon. B. Silicon. C. Nitrogen. D. Sulfur. The correct answer is A. Carbon. Question 36. Which allotrope of carbon is hardest? A. Graphite. B. Diamond. C. Fullerene. D. Charcoal. The correct answer is B. Diamond. Question 37. The oxidation state of nitrogen in NH4NO3 is A. +1 and +5, B. 3 and +5, C. +3 and +5, D. 3 and +3. The correct answer is B. 3 and +5. Question 38. Which oxide of nitrogen is neutral? A. N2O, B. Number 2, C. N2O5, D. N2O3. The correct answer is A. N2O. Question 39. The shape of PCl5 molecule in solid state is A. Trigonal bipyramidal, B. Tetrahedral, C. Octahedral, D. Ionic. The correct answer is D. Ionic. Question 40. Which halogen has maximum oxidizing power? A. F2, B. Cl2, C. Br2, D. I2. The correct answer is A. F2. Question 41. Which compound is used as bleaching agent? A. NaCl, B. KOCl2, C. Na2CO3, D. CaCO3. The correct answer is B. KOCl2. Question 42. The bond order of O2 plus is A. 1, B. 1.5, C. 2, D. 2.5. The correct answer is D. 2.5. Question 43. Which molecule is paramagnetic? A. N2, B. O2, C. Co, D. Co2. The correct answer is B. O2. Question 44. Which type of solid is diamond? A. Ionic, B. Metallic, C. Covalent, D. Molecular. The correct answer is C. Covalent. Question 45. The coordination number of Na plus in NaCl crystal is A. 4, B. 6, C. 8, D. 12. The correct answer is B. 6. Question 46. The packing efficiency of FCC lattice is A. 52%, B. 68%, C. 74%, D. 90%. The correct answer is C. 74%. Question 47. Which type of defect increases electrical conductivity? A. Schottky defect, B. Frenkel defect, C. Metal excess defect, D. A vacancy defect. The correct answer is C. Metal excess defect. Question 48. The vapor pressure of a liquid increases with A. Increase in volume, B. Increase in temperature, C. Decrease in temperature, D. Addition of solute. The correct answer is B. Increase in temperature. Question 49. Raoult's law is applicable to A. Ideal solutions. B. Non-ideal solutions. C. Electrolytic solutions. D. Dilute solutions only. The correct answer is A. Ideal solutions. Question 50. The colligative property that depends on number of solute particles is A. Surface tension. B. Viscosity. C. Osmotic pressure. D. Refractive index. The correct answer is C. Osmotic pressure. Question 51. Which electrolyte shows maximum deviation from ideal behavior? A. NaCl. B. KCl. C. CaCl2. D. AlCl3. The correct answer is D. AlCl3. Question 52. The Venti Hoff factor for Na to SO4 in dilute solution is approximately ACE1, B2, C3, D4. The correct answer is C3. Question 53. Which method is used for purification of solids? A. Distillation. B. Crystallization. C. Sublimation. D. Chromatography. The correct answer is B. Crystallization. Question 54. Which separation technique is based on adsorption? A. Distillation. B. Crystallization. C. Chromatography. D. Filtration. The correct answer is C. Chromatography.